Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, you've got one of my personal favorite cars at the moment, Porsche 992 Turbo S. And in this video, we're going to be upgrading it with an Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. Now these cars are obviously incredibly fast, straight out the box from the factory. However, one thing that's always been lacking on the 911 turbos is the exhaust sound, even when you've got a sports design exhaust, which this car actually has. So we're going to be solving that today with the Akrapovic titanium exhaust system, which is a bolt-on system. You don't need to do any other upgrades, ECU changes, anything like that. Just bolt it on and enjoy the exhaust sound. As well as that, at the same time, we're going to be changing the factory exhaust tips to the Akrapovic exhaust tips in a black finish as well. So that's not only these two parts are not only going to reduce the weight as well, quite a bit from the factory system, improve the aesthetics as well as the tone and the volume of the car. So this is what the car sounds like now. And then let's go into the workshop, we'll show you the parts, get them fitted to the car and show you what it sounds like at the end of the video. Okay, so we've removed the 992 Turbo factory exhaust system here. So this inside it obviously has like a massive silencer, and we're going to be upgrading it with the Akrapovic rear silencer, which we have here, which is essentially a rear silencer delete, which maintains the factory valve control as well. So in a minute, we'll take the factory valves off of the factory exhaust system, pop them in here, and then you can keep your valve control to make it loud or make it quieter, which obviously makes quite a big difference to the tone and the volume of this exhaust system. Obviously being made out of titanium, it's about 9 kilos lighter than the factory exhaust system, which obviously makes quite a big difference. And then also this customer's opted for the optional black tips as well, black titanium tips. So these are obviously in more of like a satin finish, which is in keeping of some of the other elements of the car. So this customer is going to be replacing the factory black optional gloss tips and upgrading them to these. And these are also just under a kilo lighter. So with the whole exhaust package, you're going to be losing around 10 kilos from behind the rear axle, which obviously makes a little bit of a difference. And also obviously it's going to sound a lot better and also look a lot bit better as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.